What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm doing a Christmas giveaway for my subscribers and my Instagram followers. Check out the link in the video description below if you're interested. This is going to be 2 sets I'm giving away thanks to Reolink. Reolink is this wireless video surveillance camera that you can use indoors or outdoors, and you don't need any wires at all. No wires for power, no wires for audio or video. It will record all that footage onto a micro SD card. Then you could take the camera down, take the micro SD card out and transfer the files to your computer and fully charge the camera overnight. And then you should get about 20 to 30 days on a full charge of battery life. So you can have this connected at a remote place like a barn, RV, boat, doesn't matter. It'll record all that footage in full HD. It's weather resistant, or you can use the Wi-Fi feature with the app. The app works for iPhone and Android phones. Now, if you want to keep it powered all year round, you can do so using the solar panel. You just need 8 to 10 hours of sunlight a month to keep it fully charged all year round. Now, the solar panel usually doesn't come with the device, but in this giveaway, it does. Now currently, Reolink is running a sales promotion on Amazon. Check out the link in the video description below. It is for 20% off. Make sure you click on the coupon link. The micro SD card goes right here. If you need to reset it for any reason, if it's not connecting or working properly, then get a paper clip and push in the paper clip to reset the camera. Now even though it's weatherproof, you still want this under a soffit or somewhere where it's not completely going to be immersed in rain. Close that up real tight, make sure no water gets in there. Right here on top is the daylight sensor. This is the camera lens right here, obviously. Below the camera lens is the status LED, and this is the mounting base, which is magnetic. If the status LED is red, that means the Wi-Fi connection is bad. If the LED is blue, then your Wi-Fi connection is good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open it up. And here is the rest outdoor mount. This is the battery pack. 5,200 milliamp hour battery pack. The sign-in username is admin and the password is blank. Let's go ahead and slide this on, just like that.
Camera has been started up. Please run Reolink app, add the camera, and set it up.
Let's go ahead and open up the Reolink app. Yes. Now we're going to add a device. Hit the plus symbol. Allow.
Camera has been started up.
And then you want to scan the QR code in the back right here. Right here. And then scan that QR code. Alright, so I just scanned it. Now I'm going to connect. Now you want to make sure this is fully charged. So before you get started, fully charge the camera using the USB cable and a power adapter. Power adapter is not included, so you could use a cell phone charger power adapter.
Please run Reolink app.
I'm going to type in my password for my wireless router within 8 inches.
Scan succeeded. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait.
There we go.
Connection to the router succeeded.
Now the light is blue, so that is a good connection. Now you have to create a login and password. Now from this point on, you want to name your camera. And we're finished. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, so it looks like the camera lens is a wide angle lens, so it picks up everything in the garage. This is a 2-car garage. Now I turned off the lights. It's completely dark in there, and I can pretty much see every object that's in my garage. All right, just to give you an idea how dark it is in there, I'm gonna show you. All right, shut the door. This is how dark it is in here. That camera picks up everything. So this is me right here standing in front of the camera, and this is what the camera looks like at night. So all your recordings will be on the micro SD card. Otherwise, without the SD card, then you're going to be basically just using that camera system as a live feed. You just press this button right here, and when you press that button, then this should release. You have to press it pretty hard. Then we're going to use the sleeve, and you might have to pop that out right here. You just, push your finger through it, and then you just slide that in from the bottom first and then the top. And then right here, this is where you screw it on, just like that. And then just plug it in. and then twist this boot on using mounting screws. It comes with the anchor and screws, so we have to pilot the holes. So I'm using a 732. This is a concrete drill bit. This goes on first, the top, and then the bottom. Push it in, and it locks in. Even though there's a weather boot on it, which protects it from moisture, it'll eventually leak into the camera and destroy the camera. So that's why I have this drip loop right here. So if the moisture starts to collect on the cable, it'll drip at the lowest point right here, away from the solar panel and also the camera. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. If you want more how-to videos like this coming your way, subscribe to Tampatec. Click on the subscribe link right here. If you know anyone that may be interested in the 100% wireless video surveillance camera, click on the share button below and share this video to them. Thanks guys for watching. Bye. Merry Christmas.